Steps to take to buy land right here in Abuja. Now, before you buy land right here in Abuja, you need to understand these few things. Number one is that there are two types of land ownership system in Nigeria. We have the customary and the ministerial land ownership system. In other states, what is being practiced is the customary land ownership system. This is where lands are being held by the community head, village head, and etc. And this is commonly practiced in other states. I'm talking about the remaining maybe 35 states in Nigeria. But right here in Abuja, what is being practiced here is more of the ministerial land ownership system. This is where all lands belong to the federal government and it is being managed by the FCT minister. Having gotten that cleared, so if you want to buy land in Abuja, these are steps you need to take. The first one is need assessment. This is where you get to assess what kind of property do you want. Do you want a land or a house? And even if you want a land, you should check what kind of land do I want to buy. Do I want to buy a land that I will use to build for my own residential purpose, or I want to buy a land for investment purpose, something that can flip or sell later? Or do you want to buy a land where I can build maybe for commercial purpose or industrial purpose? You need to understand the kind of land you want to buy. Then next thing is, if you want a house, what kind of house do you want? Do you want a house that you use for business purpose, maybe for rental or for short let? Or you want a house where you yourself can actually live in? So you need to find out what exactly do you need these properties for. So once you have ascertained that, you need to check the next thing, which is your budget. How much are you willing to spend to own these properties? Because right here in Abuja, buying properties is one of the biggest financial commitments you are going to be making. And of course, if you want to buy land or house right here in Abuja, it means that you are not hungry first, and two, you have the money to actually buy properties. So you need to actually define how much you are willing to spend. Once you have ascertained that, that will take us to the second step, which is reaching out to a reputable real estate agent or a real estate company. There are thousands of real estate or millions of real estate companies or agents out there. But how then do you identify the one you can work with? First is your instinct, all right? Your instinct will align with the person that you want to work with. Secondly is that the person has to be knowledgeable. For you to be able to buy property in Abuja, you need to work with somebody who understands how Abuja operates, somebody who understands the Abuja master plan right here, so that the person can guide you through the process so that you can buy properties that actually align with what you want to use that property for. You need to be sure that the person that you're going to work with is knowledgeable, and as of course, work with professionals. All right, these are the things you need to find out from the person you are going to work with. So once you identify the person you are going to work with, the real estate agent or the real estate company will now provide you with options, with the properties that are available within your budget, and as well that is going to be suitable for what you want to use it for. So let's take, for instance, you have, let's say, 10 or 15 million naira that you want to use to buy a land for investment. The realtor or the real estate company is supposed to provide you with options of properties that are within this budget, and you will now take a look at them and know the one you are going to go for. So from there, it will lead us to the third step, which is now inspection. This could be physical inspection or virtual inspection. So in inspection, you are going to look at the property yourself on ground. This is where you go there physically on site and get to look at the estate or the property for yourself. This is where you ascertain the accessibility, the neighborhood, whether the property is suitable for what you want to use it for. Once you have ascertained this, then you can go further. And if you are not around to take a look at this property yourself, you may involve a reputable representative, either a friend, a relative, someone who also understands real estate, because most times I see a lot of people who involve people that don't understand real estate, and they may end up discouraging you from investing. So work with a reputable representative who can come on ground and see the property on your behalf. Or you can conduct a virtual site inspection. This is where because you are not on ground, you can ask the realtor or the person you are working with to make a detailed site video showing you this property exactly how it is, so that you can make your decision. Because most times, if you don't get to see this property, you may end up experiencing this thing that is called what I ordered versus what I got. So you don't want to be a victim of that. You want to be sure of what you are buying. Then the fourth step is now involving professionals. So now that you have seen the property, next thing you involve a professional. Professionals here include land surveyors, property lawyers, and a reputable or experienced real estate agent. So what does the land surveyor do? The land surveyor will come to the site of the property, whether a land or a house, pick the coordinates, then go to verify at the AGIS, which is the Abuja Geographical Information System, where they get to verify if this particular property actually exists, or if where that is being pointed to you as the property is actually where the property is, because that is one way people are getting scammed right here in Abuja. So first, the land surveyor. Second is the property lawyer. Emphasis on a property lawyer, because a lot of lawyers are not property lawyers. They don't understand how real estate works or how property works. So you should ensure that you're involving a property lawyer who will scan the documents and ensure that what you are buying is actually genuine and it also falls within the FCDA approved properties. So the next professional is a real estate agent who will tell you the prices of properties in that location, because once you know the prices of the location you want to buy, you can actually avoid yourself from being scammed. All right, because when a particular location has a particular fee and somebody is offering it to you at a ridiculously cheaper price, then you should know when to pick your shoe and run away from such deal. So these are professionals you need to work with when you want to buy land. And honestly, it is better you involve these people before buying, other than after buying and there's now issues, you're not trying to take people to court, and at the end of the day, you waste time, you lose your money, and as well lose the property. So you involve professionals. That is the first step. Then the fifth step, which is now when you have gathered all your information from your professionals, you have seen the property, you know you're working with the right person, and if the property fits into what you want and the documents are right, then you can now go ahead in making payments for that land. And right here, I'm going to say that do not pay in cash. Whenever you are making payment right here for property in Abuja, ensure you are making payments with something that has receipt, so that even if anything should arise, you have proof of payment that you made payment to this particular person. But if you pay in cash, it is not recognizable even at the law court. So once you follow these steps, you can become a landowner or a property owner right here in the city of Abuja. And of course, afterwards, you can go ahead to process your document depending on the document that you get after buying that property, which I'll be discussing in my next video. So, but this is the basic steps you need to take when you want to buy a property right here in Abuja, whether a land or a house. So let me know if you found this helpful. I make this kind of videos especially for people that want to invest in Abuja for the first time. Abuja real estate is quite different, so you will not want to make mistakes, and that is why I am here to help you. My name is Jacinta Ukwa, and I'm your real estate consultant based here in the city of Abuja, and I'm always making these kind of videos to guide you. And if you are looking for who to work with right here in Abuja, I am here for you. So all you need to do today is to reach out to me on the number showing on your screen, and I will guide you through. So until next time, see you in my next video.